In the first year of a new console generation, it can be difficult for advancements of gaming technology to rise above the frenzy of fans looking to get a hold of new consoles. However, 2021 has seen enough new updates to gaming hardware to enhance the experience of both PC and console players. A lot of 2021's new hardware includes new controllers and monitors, but several also push previously released systems farther. Others are unique, while others make some experiences better. Overall, it's a pretty solid lineup of technological advancements in the gaming industry this year. And guys, in today's video, we will be showing you best tech products for gamers. Without further ado, let's begin. Luminoodle TV Backlight. This LED light strip is covered with 3M adhesive backing for affixing to the back of your HD TV or monitor. It has 15 color options and 10 brightness settings, and it helps reduce eye strain without adding glare to your screen. The backlight will make a gamer's battle station shine, and it'll go perfect with their RGB keyboard, mouse, and mousepad. It comes in 3 lengths to fit several screen sizes, and it's powered by a universal USB plug. My Arcade Retro Machine. This miniature arcade cabinet is packed with 200 retro-inspired titles. Its features include a joystick for quick maneuverability, standard A and B buttons for in-game actions, and a start button for pausing. It even includes a speaker for in-game audio. The device can be powered by 4 AA batteries or via a micro USB cable. Handheld retro game console phone case. Different from other iPhone cases on the market, Luckby mobile phone case screens are colored, which have richer pictures. Retro designs with 36 categories of retro games, the first cell phone case can play games. Eye-catching and funny case for iPhone users. Enjoy games at your spare time. Have fun just like a child, whether in the plane, traveling, waiting for a taxi, family day, or friends gathering. Very relaxed, not boring anymore. Happy for all-day trip. Sycon Couch Gaming Lapboard. The Couchmaster represents nothing less than a true revolution in gaming. With the Smart Sycon 2, you can game in a relaxed position at home on the sofa or even in your bed. The generous couch gaming desk can be used for input devices as well as a notebook. Thanks to its ergonomic sitting position, no signs of fatigue or tension appear while gaming on the couch, even after hours of use. The Couchmaster Sycon 2 is versatile and can be used perfectly with a PC, Mac, notebook, or gaming console. Compared to a conventional lap desk, the Couchmaster Sycon 2 consists of a generously dimensioned desktop, which is placed on 2 high-quality cushions made of memory foam. Since the 2 support cushions are not fixed to the tabletop, the Couchmaster can be individually positioned to fit any body size. Kozu Gaming Headset Stand. The Kozu is one of the few headset stands that does more than just elevate your headphones. This option doubles as a power hub and features 3 USB jacks in addition to 2 power outlets. Its USB ports each charge up to 2.4 amps, so they can recharge your smartphones, headphones, and smartwatch simultaneously at full speed in less time than they could with their included chargers. It can detect your device automatically to deliver its fastest possible charge speed up to 2.4 amps per port, or 4 amps overall, more convenient to charge your smartphone, iPad, tablet, or other smart devices without plug-in wall. If you are enjoying the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Bose Frames Audio Sunglasses. There's more to these stylish shades than meets the eye. They have built-in tech so you can stream music, listen to podcasts, and even make calls without even needing to put anything in your ears. Bose offers the frames in 2 distinct styles, dubbed Alto and Rondo. The sunglasses deliver up to 3.5 hours of tunes between battery. Bose frames let you hear and interact with the world around you, while discreetly listening to audio of your choice. But it can be frustrating to have to take out your phone to adjust the volume, breaking the connection with your environment. With press and turn volume control, all you have to do to turn your volume up or down is press the button on your frames and look left or right. Your phone stays right in your pocket or bag, and you move freely throughout the day. Paladin Piranha Planet. Piranha Planet Posable Lamp BDP. This fun lamp will make a cool addition to any Super Mario fan's room, workspace, or gaming den. You can position the flexible head to shine bright white LED light where it is needed the most. First seen in the game world 1-2 of Super Mario Bros., piranha plants feature throughout the Super Mario Bros. Game franchise. Based on the Venus flytrap plant, in-game, they eat anything that approaches them and are strategically placed by Bowser to impede Mario's progress on his quest to save Princess Toadstool. Piranha plants can be found both in and out of pipes, and may constantly bite or wait for Mario to approach to do so. Full instructions and guidance enclosed. LEDs are not replaceable. EPOS GTW 270 Hybrid Gaming Earbuds. Let the compact GTW 270 hybrid wireless earbuds accompany you wherever you go and escape the humdrum world with no compromise audio. Lag-free audio playback with aptX low-latency codec from your portable gaming device is ensured with the included USB-C dongle. Acoustic clarity is delivered through the dual microphones, and 5 hours of listening time in the earbuds are extended to 20 with the included charge case. The unique ergonomic shape is soft and flexible where it needs to be and naturally adjusts to your ear, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit. The closed acoustic design provides noise attention that lets you tune out background noises and lose yourself in the immersive audio of your game. Break free and escape into your game with the power of audio. The unique design of these in-ear earbuds creates an optical acoustic seal, while the closed-back design delivers maximum noise reduction. Shut out noisy environments and distractions with the compact minimalist GTW 270 Hybrid and escape into your game world with ultimate audio. The GTW 270 Hybrid is designed to be compact and lightweight for long-wearing comfort. The unique ergonomic shape of the earbuds adjusts to your ear to ensure a secure and comfortable in-ear fit. Blue Lounge Cable Box. Cable box hides untidy, loose, tangled cables under the desk, next to the computer, or behind the TV. Features surge protectors. All surge protectors long and wide are welcome. Cable access. 2 outlets on either side of the cable box grant access to cables you need. Flame retardant cable box gives you the peace of mind that your cables are safely stowed out of sight. Samsung 5T Portable SSD 1TB. Get your entertainment, coursework, or games anywhere on any device. Feel the freedom of huge storage and speedy transfers to laptops, smartphones, game consoles, and more. The latest T5 easily slides into your pocket or purse with multiple color options to complement your sense of style. With Samsung V-NAND flash memory and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 interface, the T5 provides transfer speeds of up to 540 megabytes per second. That's up to 4.9 times faster than external HDDs. Transfers and backups of large-sized data, including 4K videos and high-resolution photos, will be much quicker and faster. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below which one of them you like the most. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!